We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too.
It's Saturday evening on these streets in the MIA. And yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit of hanging out. Just the two of us. That don't happen very often. For some strange reason, we're always caught up doing life, I guess, right?
Yeah, but me, guys are my fault because he's a homebody.
Yeah, he's a homebody and I'm a road runner.
You know, me like worse when I go out to eat. I always judge the people in food. And you know, it just.
But I'm trying to tell him that sometimes it's not about the food, it's just about the experience.
And then I think about enough something, and I think about finances as well. You know, sometimes not that we're desperate or whatever, but sometimes I vex when I go buy a food and I said I could have used the money I cook a food pot at my yard. You know what I mean? So, but we have to do with things. Change of environment is good sometimes. So that's tonight. I feel the change.
So we're going to a new place that was recommended to us by our girl Suan. Big up Suan, our dining expert. Yeah, so we're checking out this place called Cooper's Hawk Winery.
I think that's Cooper City.
Cooper's Hawk Winery in the PP. So
like the winery argument there.
Let us see how it turns out. The parking lot is super full, like excessively full, but it's a Saturday evening, so what you expect. It's kind of early though, after 7. Yes, we have valet parking, which we're not about that valet life, are we?
I know.
It's not that serious. It's not a 5-star restaurant.
We don't know yet.
Oh yeah, we don't know yet. But it's so lucky.
Hello. So her entire outfit is just banging. She looking so hot.
Outfit information, outfit details. Guys, I promise you I shop other places other than Ross. But coincidentally, my entire outfit on tonight is from Ross. Yeah.
It's
everything.
So cute.
Oh, except my vintage bag from the Goodwill.
Oh, the vintage bag is from the Goodwill. And she is just so sexy. Sexy
Locks
mama.
By Candice Hair
And
Creation.
the locks is by Candice Hair Creation. And the oil is One True Natural. Sexy mama, sexy mama, sexy mama.
So look how I'm clean. Outfit details. You remember your outfit details?
Yes. Shirt is from Macy's. And the pants is from Macy's, and the shoes is from Ross. Yeah, and it's Lacoste.
We don't sleep on Ross, guys.
And this is Calvin Klein. And the glasses is from Bascom Palmer.
Alright guys, so we arrived, but we quickly found out that it would have been better to make a reservation because the wait is like over an hour. So we are here. They have wine tasting over there. Yeah, so we might just do the wine tasting. Okay.
This is a $13 bottle of Shiraz.
cool place. It's actually a winery, a restaurant, and a winery.
The winery just sound Jamaican, you know, winery.
We have the winery. If you have the
So Cooper's Hawk Winery and Restaurant is originally from California, and it is a restaurant that is built upon, you know, the belief that wine goes very well with certain types of food, and their whole thrust is to pair their wine that they produce in their winery with different foods that they also offer on an extensive menu. Once we walked in, we were graciously greeted with a whole wall of wines, and as a matter of fact, they have like a retail store where you can purchase your wine from the entrance. There is also a taste bar to the side, and they have a whole host of little accessories and little things that you can pick up, you know, like you're walking in a supermarket or a fine liquor store. There's a little bit of sweets, so if you want chocolate and stuff like that to take home or to just pair with your wine tasting experience, you can do so as well. For us, we were a little bit, as was said before, disappointed that we had to wait long because we didn't have a reservation. But luckily, that changed and we were offered a seat. She thinks it's a photo.
Anything, we're more than happy to pour some samples if you're interested in trying something to find something for this thing. Okay? What I'll do is I'll grab a couple of waters and some pretzel bread for the table, and I'll give you a few moments to take a look at the menu. Okay?
Thank you. So far, I'm pretty impressed. We have an excellent waiter, guys. The waiter, that experience alone is enough, for me to give it a high rating. Because service, I'm cute. I'm a nice, great color eye.
Nobody are looking at you. I think we need to go.
So yeah, he's very accommodating, trying to give us the rundown, be that we're first timers. So it's awesome. And we have a wine tasting.
You're supposed to stir it, then you're supposed to smell it, then you're supposed to taste it.
That's the sweet one, right?
It's nice and sweet, fruity.
So, I just brought a couple of examples, obviously. The first one is something that maybe would be more up your alley, which is the sweeter, high sugar content, chilled wine. It's great. The second's our wine of the month. So we have a wine club for the restaurant, which is why we're always busy.
Okay.
We bring an exclusive blend in every month, for 1 month and 1 month only.
Okay.
This month is a St. Michelle collab, so it's a red blend, mostly Cabernet and a little bit of Merlot in it as well.
Okay.
But I just figured I'd bring that one because it's not too dry, not too sweet, kind of like right in the middle where I like to offer people to kind of see where they're at, if they like it, if it's too much, not enough, that kind of thing.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Any questions on the menu at all so far?
So this is passion fruit, and I have to take a bottle of this home. This is so good. It's sweet, fruity, and that lady over there, she likes it. She likes it a lot. Here you go, sweetheart. She likes it a lot. Now, let's go devour our Brussels sprouts. Take your camera. Take your camera. Right above me. Stop it when you're ready. Now you want to catch what I'm doing? You want to catch what I'm doing?
It's rolling.
How is it?
This is very good. This is extremely good. I'm not fried that yet.
You're saying about this, but it reminds me of something from my country called fritters.
Oh yeah?
I'm fine with it.
Okay, awesome. So it's been kind of busy. I haven't been able to stop and talk too much, but when I was telling you about the wine club, if when you get a chance, take a look. We actually are running a special right now that if you become a member, you get a complimentary bottle as a gift. 2-bottle membership is $37.99 a month, so you get 2 bottles a month for $37.99.
Okay.
No contract, no annual membership fees, cancel anytime type of membership.
Okay.
Bottles roll over every month, so even if you don't come in and pick them up, or even if you don't come in and have dinner, they'll always be on your account.
Okay.
You also get a complimentary wine tasting for 2 people every month. So
Wow.
the 2 of you get to come in and sample up to 16 different wines just as a gift as part of your membership.
Oh, wow.
You get a point for every dollar you spend in the restaurant. When you get 350 points, you get a $25 gift certificate. Each of you get $15 gift certificates on the month of your birthday. We have private events. We do we close this private dining room for all of our wine club members. 4-course meal, private chef, open wine bar every month. Yes, it's actually. I got to go to it 2 months ago. I don't remember the second half of it. But I swear, I don't know. I mean, they just keep the wine coming. It's a 4-course meal. It's just part of your membership.
Wow. That's great.
You get 10% off catering, carry out, and the gift shop. You pay no corkage fees. You get $15 gift certificates on the month of your birthday. It's a lot of different things to it. But it prices out to about $18 a bottle, plus the wine tasting and all the good stuff. So if you enjoy lunch, or dinner, I'm sorry, and you enjoy the wine, it might be something to consider.
Okay, will do.
Awesome. Let me know if I can get you anything else.
We will.
We're good so far. Thank you so much. You've been great. This is so good.
This calamari, it is a little bit different because it's kind of breaded, but it reminds me of fritters, so it's good. And I like sweet, so it has a nice sweet glaze, and the sauce is good too.
The calamari, the Brussels sprouts is so good, guys. It is awesome. It has cashew nut and seaweed. It's awesome. I promise you. I can't say much more. When we're done eating, I tell you about it.
end of our. We're leaving. It's the end of our day tonight.
Who says?
Oh, it's not. Oh,
We
phase one.
just done the little dinner, but
Phase one over. But it was awesome, guys. I really enjoyed the food. We ended up just going with appetizer. The food was that much. I don't know if we were full. I wasn't really full before we went there, but for some strange reason, it was super filling. And we even have a bag carrying on.
yeah, and it's them type of food that were it not to me. It was really good, really good, but not comfort food, you know. You understand what I mean?
He wants swap.
Rice and chicken.
Rice and peas and chicken.
A long time I don't eat rice and peas and chicken. That's why. Long time. Rice and peas and chicken.
But yeah, I really like the vibe. The vibe was real chill, real intimate.
And the waiter was excellent.
Phenomenal, yeah.
Good, and but she look on him eye. Guys, you see where I go on the day? That's it. We're not coming back here.
Ooh, feel the rain. What a perfect end to the date night with a little rain.
And you catch cold. Will you come?